Hi dear parents, this is Mrs. Arbeláez. I'm going to record this video in English because I'm going to explain you the way your kids have to do the poster. Two tales were recorded by me. They have to read the tales. There is one tale for this week and there is another one for next week. So this is just an example. The other two are recorded by me, as I said before. So of course the tales are going to be in Spanish, so I will be reading the tale or the story, and also the tale will be like showing in the video, so they will be able to listen to it and read the book as many times. So I'm going to start with this very quick. The name of the story is Lávate las manos, or in English, wash your hands. Right? So I'm going to try to do it in Spanish. You will be able to know that your kids are going to do it in Spanish, not in English. I'm showing you that in English because I want you to understand a little bit better the way they have to do it. Okay? So lávate las manos. Los gérmenes son cosas diminutas que te pueden enfermar, están por todas partes. Cuando te lavas las manos, los gérmenes se van por el desagüe, entonces ya no te pueden enfermar. Lávate las manos antes de comer. Lávate las manos después de tocar un animal. Lávate las manos después de ir al baño. Así es como te debes lavar las manos. Mójate las manos, frótalas con jabón hasta que tengan un poco de espuma. Frótalas hasta que le hayas dado tiempo suficiente al jabón para actuar. Asegúrate de frotar todas las partes de tus manos, las palmas, los dorsos y entre los dedos. Enjuágate todo el jabón de las manos con agua limpia. Usa una toalla limpia para secarlas o sacúdelas hasta secarlas. Ahora sabes cómo lavarte las manos para mantener los gérmenes lejos. So as I said, this is in Spanish, but this is in English, so you will be able to read the story better. So you can see there. So this is the story. Oh, sorry. This is the other part. So I'm showing you because I want you to know what they have to do exactly. So this is the last part. So when they do this, when they read the tale, when they listen to the tale, the one that I said, as I said, that was recorded by me, so then they are going to they're going to move to do the poster. So this is just an example that I could take from internet. So, but they can do it the way they want. Just trying to follow this the same like for example here, personajes, that is characters, ambiente, that is place. This one, al principio, it means at the beginning or beginning of the story, middle of the story, and the end of the story. Okay, so of course the most important thing here is the title of the story or of the tale. So in this case, the name of the tale or the story was Lávate las manos. Okay, so here characters or personajes were kids, or in Spanish will be niños. I don't have the other letter. The gérmenes, germs. Ambiente or place, we can say that was home or casa. It's very simple. It's just this way they have to do it. Okay, As I said, this template is just an example, so they can do it in a piece of paper, like a little bit bigger, and they can draw like in the middle here, like we were talking about washing their hands. So they can just draw a hand here, a hand or a mano. It's very simple. It doesn't have to be like something very like big, or no, just something simple. Here it says the beginning of the story, so they're going to write a sentence, a simple sentence. It's just a simple sentence. It can be a sentence of 5 or 6 words or less. At least they can understand what they're going to say. Okay. So the beginning of the story is about germs, right? So we can say that germs are everywhere. In Spanish will be los gérmenes están en todos lados. So as I said, germs are everywhere. In Spanish, they have to do it in Spanish. Remember, this is just an example. Los gérmenes están en todos lados. So I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. So just very simple. As I said, the idea is that they understand very well what they are writing or what they're going to say. Remember that they have to be recorded telling us all this about the tales, okay, or the stories. So we have the middle. So the middle is like we can say that we have to wash our hands and clean them very well, right? So in Spanish will be like tenemos que lavar y limpiar nuestras manos. So this will be the middle of the story, and the end it can be we can say that this is the way we can be safe. This is just an example of this. Esta es la manera de cuidarnos. ¿Cuál manera estamos hablando? Oh, what way? As I said, the way we wash our hands. Okay. Esta es la manera de cuidarnos. Just simple as this. Okay. I did this because I want you, as I said, that the kids can do this by themselves. Okay. Of course you can help. As I said, it's just very simple. It doesn't have to be something very, and also the stories are very, very simple. So there are some pictures, there are some things there that you can also can understand. So if you have questions or if you need any help, just let me know or let Miss Bedoya know so we can help you out. Okay. This is all. I'm sorry if it is too long, if it is a little bit long, but I just wanted to make it that way so you could understand and have a better idea of what your kids have to do. Okay. Thank you so much.